Salesforce Agentforce Specialist exam online questions are available for you to study. After a successful implementation of Agentforce SaaS agent with sales users, Universal Containers now aims to deploy it to the service team. Which key consideration should the AI specialist keep in mind for this deployment? A. Assign the Agentforce for service permission to the Service Cloud users. B. Assign the standard service actions to Agentforce Service Agent. C. Review and test standard and custom agent topics and actions for Service Center use cases. The answer is C. When deploying Einstein Agent, formerly Agentforce, from Sales to Service Cloud, agent topics and actions are context-specific. Service Cloud use cases, e.g., case resolution, knowledge retrieval, require validation of existing topics, actions to ensure alignment with service workflows. Option A. Permissions like Agentforce for Service are necessary but secondary to functional compatibility. Option B. Standard service actions must be mapped to Agentforce, but testing ensures they function as intended. An AI specialist needs to enable the use of sales email prompt templates for the sales team. The AI specialist has already created the templates in Prompt Builder. According to best practices, which steps should the AI specialist take to ensure the sales team can use these templates? A. Assign the prompt template user permission set and enable sales emails in setup. B. Assign the prompt template manager permission set and enable sales emails in setup. C. Assign the data cloud admin permission set and enable sales emails in setup. The answer is A. To enable sales email prompt templates. Permission set. Assign the prompt template user permission set to the sales team to grant access to use pre-built templates. Feature activation. Enable sales emails in Salesforce Setup to activate the integration between prompt templates and email workflows. Option B. Manager permission set, required for creating, modifying templates, not for usage. Option C. Data Cloud Admin, unrelated to prompt template access. An account manager is preparing for an upcoming customer call and wishes to get a snapshot of key data points from accounts, contacts, leads, and opportunities in Salesforce. Which feature provides this? A. Sales Summaries. B. Sales Insight Summary. C. Work Summaries. The answer is A. Sales Insight Summary aggregates key data points from multiple Salesforce objects, accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities, into a consolidated view, enabling account managers to quickly access relevant information for customer calls. Option A. Sales Summaries typically refers to Einstein-generated summaries of specific interactions, e.g., emails, calls, not multi-object snapshots. Option C. Work Summaries focuses on summarizing customer service interactions, e.g., chat transcripts, not sales data. Option B. Sales Insight Summary directly provides a holistic snapshot of sales-related objects, aligning with the scenario. An AI specialist has grounded a prompt template with a related list. During user acceptance testing, UAT, users are not getting the correct responses. What is causing this issue? A. The related list is not on the parent object's page layout. B. The related list is read-only. C. The related list prompt template option is not enabled. The answer is C. When grounding a prompt template with a related list, the AI must be explicitly configured to include the related list's data. If the related list prompt template option is not enabled, the AI ignores the related list, leading to incomplete or incorrect responses. Option A. Page layout visibility affects user interface display but does not restrict data access for AI grounding. Option B. Read-only settings prevent edits but not data retrieval. Option C. Enabling the related list in the prompt template configuration is mandatory for the AI to use its data. A Salesforce administrator wants to generate personalized, targeted emails that incorporate customer interaction data. The admin wants to leverage large language models, LLMs, to write the emails, and wants to reuse templates for different products and customers. Which solution approach should the admin leverage? A. Use sales email standard templates. B. Create a T-field generation prompt template type. C. Create a sales email prompt template type. The answer is C. To generate personalized emails using LLMs while reusing templates. Sales email prompt template type. Option C. Designed specifically for generating dynamic email content by combining LLMs with structured templates. It allows admins to define placeholders, e.g., customer name, product details, and reuse templates across scenarios. Option A. Standard email templates lack LLM integration and dynamic personalization. Option B. T-field generation is not a valid Salesforce prompt template type. What does it mean when a prompt template version is described as immutable? A. Only the latest version of a template can be activated. B. Every modification on a template will be saved as a new version automatically. C. Prompt template version is activated. No further changes can be saved to that version. The answer is C. When a prompt template version is immutable, it means that once the version is activated, it cannot be edited or modified. This ensures consistency in production environments where changes could disrupt workflows. Option A is incorrect. Any version, not just the latest, can be activated, depending on the use case. Option D is incorrect. Modifications require manually creating a new version. Automatic versioning is not enforced. Option C is correct. Activation locks the version, enforcing immutability. Universal Containers, UC, is using standard service AI grounding. UC created a custom rich text field to be used with service AI grounding. What should UC consider when using standard service AI grounding? A. Service AI grounding only works with case and knowledge objects. B. Service AI grounding only supports string and text area type fields. C. Service AI grounding visibility works M system mode. The answer is B. Service AI grounding retrieves data from Salesforce objects to ground AI-generated responses. Key considerations. Field types. Standard service AI grounding supports string and text area fields. Custom rich text fields, e.g., rich text area, are not supported, making option B correct. Objects. While Service AI grounding primarily uses case and knowledge objects, option A. The limitation here is the field type, not the object. Visibility. Service AI grounding respects user permissions and sharing settings unless overridden. Option C is incorrect. A sales manager is using Agent Assistant to streamline their daily tasks. They ask the agent to show me a list of my open opportunities. How does the large language model, LLM, in Agentforce identify and execute the action to show the sales manager a list of open opportunities? A. The LLM interprets the user's request, generates a plan by identifying the APC MOPNet topics and actions, and executes the actions to retrieve and display the open opportunities. B. The LLM uses a static set of rules to match the user's request with predefined topics and actions, bypassing the need for dynamic interpretation and planning. C. Using a dialog pattern. The LLM matches the user query to the available topic, action and steps, then performs the steps for each action, such as retrieving a FAST of open opportunities. The answer is A. Agentforce's LLM dynamically interprets natural language requests, e.g., show me open opportunities, generates an execution plan using the planner service, and retrieves data via actions, e.g., querying Salesforce records. This contrasts with static rules, B, or rigid dialog patterns, C, which lack contextual adaptability. Salesforce documentation highlights the planner's role in converting intents into actionable steps while adhering to security and business logic. Universal Containers aims to streamline the sales team's daily tasks by using AI. When considering these new workflows, which improvement requires the use of Prompt Builder? A. Populate an AI-generated time to close estimation to opportunities. B. Populate an AI-generated summary field for sales contracts. C. Populate an AI-generated lead score for new leads. The answer is A. Agentforce's LLM dynamically interprets natural language requests, e.g., show me open opportunities, generates an execution plan using the planner service, and retrieves data via actions, e.g., querying Salesforce records. This contrasts with static rules, B, or rigid dialog patterns, C, which lack contextual adaptability. Salesforce documentation highlights the planner's role in converting intents into actionable steps while adhering to security and business logic. An AI specialist wants to troubleshoot their agent's performance. Where should the AI specialist go to access all user interactions with the agent, including agent error, RS, incorrectly triggered actions, and incomplete plans? A. Event logs. B. Plan canvas. C. Agent settings. The answer is B. Event logs in Salesforce capture detailed interaction data, including agent errors, triggered actions, and incomplete plans. These logs provide visibility into user-agent interactions for troubleshooting performance issues. The Einstein Bot Analytics documentation highlights event logs as the primary source for auditing bot behavior and diagnosing issues like misconfigured actions or plan execution failures. Plan Canvas, B, is for designing workflows, not auditing. Agent settings. See control configuration but do not store interaction history.